What if I told you that retiring rich by 50 isn't just a fantasy, but a real possibility, even for someone starting from scratch today? In a world where traditional investments feel slow and outdated, I'm putting myself to the ultimate challenge. Can smart cryptocurrency investing be my ticket to financial freedom? And more importantly, can it be yours too? The idea of retiring rich by 50 might sound like a dream to most people. But the rise of cryptocurrency is turning that dream into something achievable for more investors than ever before. Over the past decade, digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have skyrocketed in both value and popularity, offering returns that traditional markets simply can't match. While the stock market might give you steady, incremental growth, crypto offers the possibility of exponential gains, if you know how to navigate its unique landscape. So why has crypto captured so much attention? I believe it's because people are starting to lose faith in the old system. Inflation eats away at savings, banks offer negligible interest. Even safe investments like bonds often can't keep pace with rising costs. In contrast, cryptocurrency represents a new kind of financial system, one that's decentralized, borderless, and still in its early growth phase. Investing in it now is like getting in on the internet back in the 1990s. High risk. Yes, but potentially life-changing rewards. Of course, let's be clear, it's not all smooth sailing. Crypto is volatile, unpredictable, and can be intimidating for beginners. Prices can soar one week and crash the next. But here's the flip side. That same volatility is what makes it exciting and profitable for those who plan strategically. The key is to approach it with knowledge, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy instead of chasing quick wins. I'll admit, when I first heard about Bitcoin years ago, I thought it was too complicated to understand. Wallets, private keys, blockchain, it all sounded overwhelming. But once I committed to learning step by step, I realized that crypto is not as mysterious as it seems. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be willing to learn, ask questions, and take action. One of the biggest myths about crypto is that it's all a scam. Yes, there are bad actors in the space, just like in any industry, but that doesn't mean the entire market is fraudulent. Bitcoin has been around for over a decade, and major institutions like Tesla, PayPal, and even governments are now involved in blockchain technology. The opportunity is real. The challenge is knowing how to invest wisely. So how can you start? First, learn about the main categories of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is often called digital gold because of its star of value qualities. Ethereum powers a massive ecosystem of decentralized applications. Then there are thousands of altcoins, each with different use cases, from supply chain management to gaming. For beginners, starting with top tier, established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum is a smart move before diversifying into smaller projects. One strategy I personally use is dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market highs or lows. This approach smooths out volatility and removes the emotional stress of trying to time the market. Another is portfolio diversification. Never putting all your money into a single coin. By spreading investments, you reduce the risk of one asset wiping out your portfolio. Another powerful tip is setting clear exit strategies. Many beginners buy a coin and never plan when to sell. Decide in advance whether you'll cash out at a certain profit level, say 30%, 50%, or even 100%, or hold long-term for bigger potential gains. Without a plan, emotions will make decisions for you, and that's when mistakes happen. But crypto isn't just about charts and profits, it's also about community. The blockchain world is filled with innovators, developers, and investors who believe in creating a fairer, more transparent financial future. Being part of this movement is energizing. You're not just chasing wealth, you're contributing to something revolutionary. Take the Winklevoss twins as an example. In 2011, they invested in Bitcoin when it was just $8 a coin. Today, their holdings are worth hundreds of millions. Their success didn't come from luck alone. It came from understanding the potential, investing early, and holding for the long term. But let's balance that with a cautionary tale. During the 2017 bull run, many people jumped into random altcoins without research, hoping to get rich quick. When the market crashed in 2018, billions in value disappeared almost overnight. The lesson: Blind speculation can wipe out years of savings. You must treat crypto like any serious investment. Research, strategy, and discipline are non-negotiable. The lesson here is simple. Informed, disciplined investing in crypto can lead to life-changing results. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires research, risk management, and patience. And while there's no guarantee, the possibility of transforming your financial future is far greater now than it was a decade ago. So, can I retire rich by 50 through smart crypto investments? That's the challenge I've set for myself, and I'll be sharing every step of the journey with you. We'll explore strategies, break down market trends, and learn from both wins and losses. My hope is that my experience can inspire you to take control of your own financial destiny. If this excites you, check out my other videos on cryptocurrency strategies. Leave your thoughts in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss the next update. The road to 50 is short, and the time to start building wealth is now.